will teach you how to use the hydroponic, how to measure out the hydroponic solution. So I'm not measuring anything. That's what I want to do is to show you. This is just normal salts. Whoop. Oops, careful. Okay. Just want to stir it in a bit. Okay. It's not exact, but what we want to do is we want to find out what it is. Okay? Okay, so right, when you put your hydroponic solution inside water, it'll tell you actually what the rate is. So you can put 1 milliliter for what do you call that? 100 mils, I think, or maybe sometimes 1 liter. So 1 milliliter for 1 liter. So that's actually quite concentrated. So before you do anything, please read the instructions at the back of your nutrient bottle. Okay? In this case, I'm using salts because I don't want to open any of your new bottles. So just easier demonstration. Okay, so this is called the EC conductivity, so electrical conductivity probe. Okay, so that's actually at this end here. You can see. So look at it. This is where it detects, okay, what the electrical conductivity is of your solution. Okay. One of the great things about this one is it also acts as a stirrer. So you can see in here still, guys, come closer a little bit so you can see. So not everything has been dissolved. Yeah. So what I'm going to do for the purpose of that, this one already has battery. So this one requires 3 AAAs on it. Very easy to do. Okay. So now it's on. It's trying to. It's telling you, okay, I'm working. So as you put in, you just need to stir. It's already telling you something. Yeah, but with everything that you do with hydroponics, please ensure that you wait at least 2 or 3 minutes before you do a proper measurement. Okay, because all of your salts are in solution. That means you're moving around all the time. But to ensure that you get proper concentration all over, you wait for a while and keep stirring. Okay, so over here you can see it's telling me it's about 1.2 EC. Okay, but there's still salts in there, so keep stirring. Okay, sometimes you have to make sure that you stir for like 5 minutes. Usually I do that just to be sure. Okay, anyone wants to just play around with this? Anyone wants to help stir?
Already have the solution.
No, I did not. I'm using salt.
It will change, right?
Yeah, so as soon as it see, it's dissolving, right? Yeah, it's dissolving. So everyone can come around and see how it works. Yeah, please hold it and see and touch it and see when it lights up. Yeah, so this one you can purchase on Amazon. $122. This is a very useful one. And if you don't want to spend so much money, it's also possible to get a $30 one. But the biggest advantage of this particular thing is you never have to calibrate it. And calibration is one of the most difficult things to do.
Okay.
Anyone else?